Ever wondered if your trendy, neon-lit bank account will be there for you in the long haul? We're talking about Neon Bank, of course. It's sleek, it's digital, it's got that futuristic vibe, but does that translate to staying power? That's the million-dollar question, or perhaps the million-naira question, that we're tackling today. Neon Bank burst onto the scene with a promise of revolutionizing banking. No more stuffy branches, no more endless queues, just pure, unadulterated digital convenience. And for a while, it felt like a breath of fresh air. But in the fast-paced world of fintech, where new players pop up every day, longevity is the ultimate test. So, will Neon Bank stand the test of time, or is it just a fleeting trend? One of the biggest concerns with any digital bank, especially a newer one, is security. We're talking about your hard-earned money, after all. Neon Bank has invested heavily in security measures, employing encryption and multi-factor authentication. But the digital landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. Can Neon Bank keep up? That's a crucial factor in its long-term viability. They need to constantly adapt and upgrade their security protocols to stay one step ahead of the bad actors. Another thing to consider is customer service. When things go wrong, and they inevitably do sometimes, you need to know that you can reach someone who can help. Neon Bank, being primarily digital, relies heavily on online support channels. Are they responsive? Are they helpful? A robust and readily available customer service system is essential for building trust and ensuring customer loyalty, which are vital for long-term success. Then there's the question of scalability. Can Neon Bank handle rapid growth? As more and more people embrace digital banking, the platform needs to be able to cope with the increased traffic and transaction volume. A system that crashes or slows down during peak times is a recipe for disaster. Neon Bank needs to have the infrastructure in place to support its growing customer base and ensure a seamless user experience. And let's not forget the competition. The fintech arena is a battlefield. Established banks are upping their digital game, and new challenger banks are constantly entering the market. Neon Bank needs to stay innovative, offering competitive products and services to retain its customers. Stagnation is a death knell in this industry. They need to keep their finger on the pulse of the market, anticipating customer needs and developing cutting-edge solutions. Beyond the technical aspects, there's the question of profitability. Running a bank, even a digital one, is expensive. Neon Bank needs to have a sustainable business model that generates profit. Without a solid financial foundation, any business, no matter how innovative, is doomed to fail. Their ability to attract investment, manage costs, and generate revenue will ultimately determine their long-term survival. So, will Neon Bank last forever? The truth is, no one can predict the future with absolute certainty. The banking landscape is dynamic and unpredictable. However, by focusing on security, customer service, scalability, innovation, and profitability, Neon Bank can significantly increase its chances of long-term success. They need to stay agile, adapt to change, and consistently deliver value to their customers. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.